Liver diseases. Introduction. Which of the following is a job of the liver? Choose one of the following options. 1. Cleans toxins. 2. Makes bile. 3. Makes blood clotting substances. 4. Processes fats and sugar. 5. All of the above. Correct. The liver is an important organ of the body. All liver diseases have the same symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Liver diseases have different symptoms. However, many liver diseases have similar symptoms. Hepatitis is only spread through contact with blood and infected body fluids. Select true or false. Correct. Different hepatitis viruses are spread in different ways. Too much iron in the liver can damage the organ. Select true or false. Correct. Too much iron in the liver can cause the liver to become damaged. Which of the following raises the risk of liver cancer? Choose one of the following options. 1. Drinking more than 2 drinks of alcohol each day for many years. 2. Excess body weight. 3. Long-term infection with certain hepatitis viruses. 4. All of the above. Correct. Alcoholic liver disease and NAFLD are treated with lifestyle changes and medicines. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.